Okay, we will solve this one, subtraction of integers. Okay, number 1, negative 6 minus the quantity of negative 4. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, si negative 6, hindi yan na-change. Then, ito si negative 4, magiging positive yan. At saka itong minus, magiging plus. Okay, we have to change this one into positive and proceed to addition. So, magiging negative 6 plus 4. So, that is equal to negative 2. Okay, so mas malaki si 6 compare natin kay 4. So, we have to copy the sign of the bigger number. Number 2, negative 8 minus the quantity of positive 10. So, this is 8. Then, change this one into positive. Then, yung si positive 10 magiging negative 10. So, equals negative